How to verify Facebook account with Blue Badge. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Facebook application on your device and make sure you are logged into your account. Next, tap on your profile at the top right corner of the screen and then scroll down and tap on Help and Support. So tap on Help and Support and then tap on Help Center. As you tap on Help Center, you'll be able to see a search bar at the top of the screen. So here you can see the search bar. So just tap on it and here search for request or rather type in how to get a blue badge. So as you search for it, you'll be able to see different options that pops up. So here you can see the option of request a verified badge on Facebook. So tap on it, and as you tap on it, you'll be able to see different options. So just scroll down and here you can see the option of verify your profile or page. So in order to get the blue badge, you need to verify your page or your profile. So tap on fill out this form option over here. And as you tap on it, all you need to do is here fill up your form where you can see what are you verifying. It's your page or your profile. You can tap on any of this option and then provide the link. Next, confirm your authenticity by providing a document type from your driver's license to passport to national ID, tax filing, recent utility bill or articles of incorporation. You have to present your documents over here and then you have to confirm your notability by showing a category of what kind of category do you belong to. Select a country or your region with your audience and also provide your social media links over here for your Instagram, Facebook, Twitter or your personal blog list and so on. After that, you just have to tap on send and send it to the Facebook support team and they'll contact you within 24 hours. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.